Hello, Shakil speaking. Welcome to my problem solving tutorial. Today we are gonna solve this problem. This is very easy problem. You see, this is the length of the last words. So a string or some words are given, and you have to find the last word and its length. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Its length is 5, and its length is 4, and its length is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is very easy. If you are a human, you can count the numbers and find out the solution, but computer cannot do like that way. So computer need to do programmatically or logically. So first of all, let's understand the problem and try to solve it. Okay. So we have come to know that they are telling me to find out the last words and its length. Okay. So how we can solve this problem? So I have the code over here. You see, bar length of the word, we are declaring a function and taking the parameter as s1, s2, s3. And what we are doing simply just we are first of all trimming, splitting, and popping, and finally find its length. So what trim is doing over here? Trim leading and trailing white space. It's removing white space. See, you see the example. Before trim, it's like fly me on the moon. So it has the space before and after. This is the space. This is the space. So it will remove the white space. So before the trim, after the trim, you see spaces has been removed. No space are over here. Okay. No space over here. So trim is doing that. And splitting. Splitting is doing it's converting. Split is trimmed string into an array. It's converting a string into an array. So this string is converting into an array, like fly, fly, me. It's now an array. Okay. So finally, pop. What pop is doing? Pop is the last element, last word from the array, and return its length. So it's removing the last element, pop, and push. You know, push, poop, shift, unshift. So pop is removing the last element, and finally we are finding the length, dot length. This is the built-in JavaScript function. So this is very simple solution. So this is the time and space complexity. So let's dive into the code. So what we need to do to bar length of last word equal to function and this return is dot trim dot split dot pop dot length. Our main logic is done, our brain is done. So let is we are bringing the test cases from here. So give it a name, say S1. Bring three scenarios. Will be S2. Sorry. S2. And this is S3. Okay, and finally console.log length of, say we are examining s2. Okay, node length private. Okay, I have forgotten to give inverted comma over here, and there should be a space. So I hope this time it will work. Node private. Yeah, it's working. So if you go for test case and other strings, I hope it will also work. Node private. It's 5. Let's say for s3. Let's go for s3. Yeah, it's 6. So it's working. So if you don't understand the problem, come here once again. And these things are very lucid and crystal clear. So time complexity and space complexity are given here. If you think that you can optimize the coding, so let me know in the comment section. And if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you very much.